Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch. The really whole peculiarity and basic focal point of this digital money is the programmability and capability as decentralized finance conglomeration specialist organization 1inch Trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications. To give some examples, which can be based on the stage, which generally is very critical, execution of tasks under quite certain circumstances to truly guarantee convenience, security, and usefulness. 1inch has acquired marvelous importance, which is genuinely huge. Before we basically start with itemized 1inch cost forecast, really take a look at the outline. 1inch that has a significant effect. 1inch disseminated numerous tokens. Notwithstanding, the local token 1inch became popular as an administration and utility token, and 1inch cost estimates related news began coursing on the lookout. The most important element that moves development is the cost of the 1inch token, making the speed and moderateness that really empower faster execution enhancements, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across numerous decentralized trades. 1inch associations, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Once the 1inch extended to Binance, there was rivalry among adversaries to trade by means of 1inch in view of token cost, as basically said by Sergej Kuntz, prime supporter at 1inch organization. At present, the 1inch collection convention certainly is now conveyed on Polygon, while the 1inch liquidity convention and the 1inch administration convention are supposed to extend over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and brokers getting to 1inch by means of others like Polygon benefit monstrously. Clients likewise benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in light of token value, which is very critical. The 1inch test system. The aforementioned move of trading digital currencies gives 1inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Bend, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so forth. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon, are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this extremely token and in a real sense work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running truly equal organizations or sidechains close by the principal Ethereum blockchain. Undertaking 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized determinations to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among ventures advancing liquidity mining. 1inch can be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area, in spite of prevalent thinking. In light of our 1inch cost expectation 2022, the token could cross 16 cents in an unobtrusive manner. A drawn-out increment in every practical sense is likewise expected. The cost visualization for 2026 truly is 5 cents. An aggressive bullish viewpoint for 2022 has been made by our estimate, making 1inch a beneficial speculation on a crypto expectation site in the year's blast in a significant way. It claims 2022 will be a perfect year for 1inch on the trade, and the estimated most exorbitant cost will be around $2.82 to enter 2022 during a similar period especially. As per our conjecture, the symbolic will ascend to $15 toward the finish of 2023 and will at last basically reach $30 in year 2025 in an unobtrusive way. At the hour of composing this crypto cost gauge, the ongoing cost of 1inch sort of is exchanging around $1.28, and information demonstrates that the token generally has been in an upswing for the sort of beyond 1 year, with a circling supply of 412,981,641 inch. The 24 hours volume really has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost conjectures bring a few factors into account, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins in an exceptionally enormous way. 1inch value expectation 2022, keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There in a real sense are expectations that 1inch truly is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the limits of a balanced triangle on the graph. It in a real sense is clear that 1inch also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it a significant venture. 1inch value forecast 2023, or so they explicitly thought, going by the examination of short and long-haul cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for 1inch cost for acceleration, particularly with especially other crypto rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing by and large find the stowaway on the diagram. There generally is an estimated possibility of 1 causing a misfortune, however just small, dropping to $4.40. 1 value expectation 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't generally exist and that bulls will for the most part ride the crypto market. It in every practical sense is estimated that 1 would run the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the very that generally was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1 has most certainly full genuinely potential to explicitly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, in contrast with other digital forms of money like BTC and ETH. 1 value expectation 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year as 1 coin cost is anticipated to outperform $6 definitely. Fundamentally on the grounds that this year, no significant elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to truly shake the foundations of world economy, and it is guessed that the greater part of the harm done to the coin would in a real sense be making a course for fixed work in all world economies incredibly. 1 value forecast 2026. It most certainly isn't not exactly incredible information. What started with a 1 cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Subsequently, it has explicitly supported the market opinion peculiarity definitely. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on the for the most part lengthy basically run for the 1 development, following its worth intently as a speculation choice. Subsequently, the 1 cost expectation 2026 remaining parts very reassuring, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.20 by December in an unpretentious manner. 1 value forecast past 2026. Master brokers of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain as opposed to present moment, most certainly because of the component of unpredictability. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the basically trusts high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back by 1 token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically. By when 1 would for the most part be not any more a guileless contestant in the realm of digital currencies amazingly. In any case, a carefully prepared player crossing costs $3.32 on the outline, making it exceptionally productive. Does 1 have a future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? 1 is one cryptographic money that will have an especially savvy and brilliant future, driving the cost on the lookout. Riding the crypto wave, it will run the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long rule for dealers, which is genuinely critical. Is 1 a wise venture? Indeed. In any case, an expected level of effort in a real sense is consistently prudent to post perusing the market outline for cost expectation, watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required. On the off chance that you make a smart venture in light of cost forecast, explicitly keep a watch on the site incredibly. Is 1 a trick or genuine? In spite of all discussions and contention,